Hey friends, Tux here. For this particular video, we'll be unboxing the Burberry Knight. Okay, this is a luxury piece of eyewear, and people who know me in real life know that I wear these a lot, actually. So if you see me in public, don't be surprised. It might be easier to spot me than you think, okay? But this is how they come. Okay, Burberry is, of course, a UK brand, a very popular luxury brand. I would say that they're kind of like a mid-tier luxury brand. They retail for about $280, $300, but you can often find them cheaper, actually. And Burberry themselves are really known more for like the trench coats and more of like clothing than sunglasses, but they do have some pretty cool sunglasses. And what struck me as cool about these wasn't the fact that they were just Burberry, but the fact that they are awesome. I love these so much. So this is how they come. You get some goodies in the box here. You get like a little bag, okay, like a typical little sock which says Burberry on it, and then you get a few other little things here too. You get like a little cleaning cloth, Burberry on it, and then you get like a little instruction book. And I should point out the little touches, you know, this is actually kind of cool. This is like texturized. It almost feels like fabric actually, but it is paper, but it definitely has a texture to it. You can hear that, right? Yeah, so it definitely has a texture to it and talks all about, you know, in many languages about the product itself, care for, etc., etc. So pretty cool stuff, pretty standard fare with luxury glasses. And we'll go ahead and take a look here at the actual glasses themselves. They come in, Burberry usually has either a chalk colored or a brown leather holder for the glasses. And this particular one here is brown leather. It is magnetic, okay, and it does feature Burberry on it. And you can see just, it's really nice, really soft. Real leather. It's a nice little case for sure. Kind of a triangle look to it, so you can squeegee it into something. And we'll open this up here, and you can see in here it does say Burberry. This is kind of a felty material. Very nice, very protective of the glasses. And here they are, guys. Check it out, the Burberry Knights. Okay, so this is a black frame with a yellow aesthetic. We got that Burberry on the side here, and these have been worn by me quite a bit, so this is not a completely brand new unboxing. I've had these for a while, and I don't always do sunglass or glass reviews. If you go back in the channel, you see I have in the past, and someone asked me like, hey, why don't you do those on the channel? And I'm like, oh, you know, I probably should. Okay, so that's the reason why I'm kind of getting around to it now. But this has been my favorite pair of sunglasses for quite a while now, and very, very cool. Very bold, loving. You can even see how much reflective yellow light they give off, you know. And what makes these special to me is the fact that the yellow isn't just like a cosmetic thing. It's not just, you know, for looks or whatever. It's a situation where it really does provide good UV protection. So besides looking really cool, they actually do enhance your experience, you know. Yellow lenses themselves increase contrast, you know, especially like in low light and overcast days. It really just makes things pop, you know. They reduce blue light, so especially good for people like me who are on computers a good little bit, you know, and they really give things kind of a warm, like cinematic tone, you know, so it really changes your perspective of just how things look, you know. And it's one of the few fashion lenses out there, you know, by a legit fashion company that actually have such a bold yellow lens in them, because typically a lot of companies, even like Versace, have very little. There's like one or two yellow ones, but it's very few and far between, you know, because they are harder to sell. It's definitely a kind of a niche yellow lens market out there, you know. I mean, pilots, you know, people who do like shooting, that kind of thing, people who do computers, there's definitely fields where people like to have, you know, the yellow lenses, but in general, it's a tougher sell, I think, for a lot of these fashion companies, you know. They do offer full UV 400 protection, okay, so that's 100% of UV protection for any kind of lighting issues, so that's great. You know, it's not just I mean, I should say most yellow lens glasses, okay, like if you find just a generic pair of yellow lens glasses, a lot of them really don't offer UV protection. It's more just for the aesthetic of the yellow lens. But these guys, they do, honestly. So really props to them for making a quality yellow. This is probably the best yellow lens glasses I can think of, to be honest with you. You know, and of course it does feature the Burberry Knight logo, you know, so very good stuff. The frame itself is kind of, it's thick, it's bold, it's constructed well, you know, it's definitely a statement piece, but it's the type of thing that doesn't really jump out at you necessarily like sunglasses might, you know. The frames themselves are kind of a typical frame structure is what I'm talking about. If anything, they're just kind of big, you know. And as far as other things go with it, you know, it definitely can create kind of a signature look. I like them because it doesn't really tint things. Like you can see someone's eyes through these. You know, eyes are the window to the soul. So like if you're talking to someone directly, it's not like you're talking to someone with like dark tinted sunglasses on. You know, you can carry on a conversation and you can get that immediate feedback, you know, of them paying attention to you, you know, giving you direct eye contact, that kind of thing, you know. And honestly, for me, the biggest selling point on these, I just really love the way the world looks through these, you know. And again, the construction is excellent. Just to give you one last little close up here. You got the Burberry logo looking really good, nice and yellow. Definitely pops. You can kind of see how well, not so well through the camera, but you know, they really are wonderful little glasses. So anyway, guys, I just wanted to show these off real quick. It's something which I enjoy, and if you see me out in the wild, you might very well see me in these Burberry glasses. All right, thanks for watching, friends. I have a link for you in the description. We'll talk to you soon. What glasses do you wear? I'd be curious about that too. All right, talk to you soon. Bye bye. Click the link.